To preserve your battery life in Pixel 10, first we need to open settings on our device. Next step is to locate the battery, and then when we scroll down we should be able to enter battery health. Then there's the charging optimization with adaptive charging, and here you'll be able to enable settings that make your battery live longer. So make sure that your use charging optimization is on, and then you can choose between two options. Adaptive charging, which finishes charging to 100% right before you normally unplug. And this feature is recommended when you charge your phone on the standard basis. For example, if you're charging your phone overnight all the time, every day, then this option will work great, as it will basically charge your phone to 90% and then disconnect the charging. When you're about to wake up, it will start charging again up to 100%. Then there's a limit to 80%, which will limit your battery charging to 80%. So if you don't charge your phone on a regular basis, then you can go for this option, and then your overall battery health will improve. I mean, it will preserve it at least. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.